good, guys, man? This video is proudly brought to you by Sneakers NA. You understand? You can get them by Instagram, TikTok, and all social media platforms. You understand? Make sure to get these fire sneakers out here. You understand? Hit them up. They are running a crazy special, a fire special. You understand? And yeah, get your kicks from Sneakers NA, the best in the country right now. You understand? Let's go.
Hey, what's good, guys, man? Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. I'm feeling like hit that up right now. 8 o'clock. Damn. 30 seconds. Come with me. Make sure to subscribe. Let's go. Yo, guys. This fucking one, bro. I just wake up right now. You understand? Like, wash my face and mouth. Oh, damn. Yo, what's good, guys, man? Right now, I'm just pissed out, bro. And I just angry at myself, bro. Like, you understand? I just came right yesterday night at those place. And this place is ass, bro. You understand? So, right now it's Christmas, bro. And I'm just laying in this fucking bed. Look at the place where I'm staying, bro. Bro, like, I just fucked up. So, I'll be spending my Christmas here. Shout out to each and everyone. Please make sure you like and subscribe, you understand? I'm fucked up, bro. I'm angry at myself right now. Cause I'm feeling like I'm at the fucking farm, bro. Spending my Christmas at the farm, bro. Like, that's fucked up, bro. But yeah, man, there's nothing I'm gonna do. I just have to enjoy myself. The reason why my voice is like this is because, bro, like, I'm tired. I'm just staying up right now. And I was drinking yesterday, bro. You understand? I'm just enjoying myself with these few days, the few last days. before the year ends, you understand? But I'll be going maybe Saturday morning to soak up, you understand? I'll be vlogging for Sound of Summer. Yeah, I'll be vlogging the experience there. It's gonna be my first time I'm going there, you understand? But anyways, let me go show you the people out there, bro, like, what's going on. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And yeah, road to 1K subscribers. Next year we're gonna be pushing hard, and next year is our year. But guys, man, there's no fucking internet, bro, at this place, bro. Like, so I'll be spending 3 fucking nights, 3 fucking days without internet, bro. I can't even call my mom, bro, because there's no fucking internet, bro. That's the worst part, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. But anyways, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you guys. I love you guys so much, and make sure to stay safe, guys. Road to 1K subscribers. Let's go. Right now, feeling like we take a shower, guys. Just wanna show you guys how does it look this side, bro. Where I'm staying, bro. Like, look where I'm staying, bro. This is where I'm staying, bro. It's not outside, bro. The people were just sitting right now here. Maybe we went to go get some drinks. Bro, like, check out. Yeah, bro, people are staying here, bro. Let me go show you guys the outside. Christ. Oh my god, bro. Like, I can't survive at this place, bro.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yepo nake. Pise ukana kuime kudeng. Kaya sinega nesene. Futsek fayela altwe. Tumi dake asleto kumasi. Desa. Hai nuiswa. Hai nesene kirna warai. Ona bolsa go. Thứ bolsa go. Ndia bolsa wo. Ndia anu kuime warai. Hai nesene kumo.
Very special.
So special. So special, my dear.
Very special.
They thought that I would drink sorba, clamas, and you know, like that. I'm drinking Hennessy now with my cool drink, corn seconders. How do you think we do it? Get
Yeah, no. Sparkling water.
Jadi kita kain, jadi ada macam ni kan kain. Kita selalu water kita kau tak ada ni baca nuis semua. Ya kalau
Ay, kira-kira umati.
Sedang karet mah. Sana family awak turi buskon. Tidak tidak ada dua tui.
Yeah.
Ya, no bah, habis no kabai. Hamsi khai. So, tu aku.
Right now I'm with the boy, you understand? We are here at the coast, we are feeling like operate Sound of Summer, you understand? Let's go, let's get it.
Are you guys ready? Who went on? Who made some plan? Everybody. Hey, viewers. I bumped actually into Almaty Kota. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. We had Sound of Summer 2025, 2026. Let's make it bigger.
Yeah. My G.
Stay strong. God bless, man.
Yeah, guys. Last man standing. Yeah, Bello. The last people out here. Right now we are going back home. You understand? This school is key.
Thank you.
Yeah, ne.
May plug. I take it mo.
Ini.
What happens at the beach stays at the beach.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. If you make it until this part of the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah man, next year is gonna be our year, you understand? This is the last time of me spending my last day in Singapore, you understand? And yeah man, let's go, let's get. Hey, what's good guys man? This video is proudly brought to you by Sneakers NA, you understand? You can get them by Instagram, TikTok and all social media platforms, you understand. Make sure to get these fire sneakers out here, you understand. Hit them up, they are running a crazy special, a fire special, you understand. And yeah, get your kicks from Sneakers NA, the best in the country right now, you understand. Let's go.